So I built this bracket, an 1.5 inch square tubing. I bolted it to the brake pedal assembly to mount the steering column. I'll show you that next. On the brake pedal assembly, I have this square tubing that's going to fit up in there. And then I'll run bolts from the steering column mount up through there. I'm not sure if I'm going to weld it or bolt it. Planning on bolting it right now, but we'll see. I got the steering column mounted to my square tubing. Square tubing's mounted to the brake assembly. This bolt here goes all the way through. This one here I welded a nut on the inside, and then I welded a bolt on the inside that goes up to the top here. Yeah, it's nice and sturdy, fits in nice. This steering column's out of a 1999 full-size Chevy. I wanted to use the S10 one I had, but because it was a little shorter, but it wasn't tilt, so I wanted tilt steering, so I used this one. Since the steering column was a little longer than I wanted, I cut the weld that was around here and slid up and rotated the piece of tin that bolts to the firewall, and then re-welded it back on. For the steering sector, I bought a kit and I welded that plate on there so I could bolt it to the frame. And it came with a steering linkage. Then I bought a pitman arm, connected it all up with a couple steering U-joints. Fits nice. I also made this plate to weld on the frame on this side just to strengthen it up.